question of the day: am I qualified to be a bookkeeper? And how do I know? Hey bookkeepers, it's Trudi at Maven. Here's the thing. Bookkeeping isn't just data entry. It's definitely not something you can master. And there's a flood of poor quality programs out there telling people that they can become a bookkeeper in just 10 days, or that they can launch a six-figure business with no experience. That's marketing, not reality. Bookkeeping is about accuracy, compliance, and trust. Untrained bookkeepers do harm, okay? They do real damage to unsuspecting client. They can mess up tax filings, they royally botch up payroll, and who knows what else. So let's be clear, bookkeeping is a professional skill. You never just wing it. Here are some red flags of the low quality programs. Stay away from promises of instant clients before you've even learned the basics. Stay away from buzzwords like no math required or just copy our templates. Stay away from lack of coverage on compliance topics, payroll, sales tax, reconciliations, adjusting entries, and stay away from combined focus challenges that combine the bookkeeping skills and the business skills all into one program. Okay, if you've seen those and you know what I'm talking about, they sound really easy, but they're going to set you up for failure. So how do you know if you're really qualified then? Ask yourself this. 1, can I reconcile accounts monthly without unreconciled differences? 2, do I understand when to expense versus capitalize an asset? 3, do I know how payroll integrates into the books, including how the expense side and the liabilities work? How about bonuses, tips, deferred income? And 4, can I prepare clean books for a CPA at year end without a laundry list of fixes? If the answer is yes, then you're on very solid ground. If the answer is no, that's not a disqualifier. It just means you're not ready yet. So here's where to build the real skills if you're not quite ready yet. Let's start on what not to waste your money on. Skip the hype programs. Anything that promises instant clients, no math required, or that a six-figure income is in 90 days, that is a pipe dream, not a skill set. Programs like that might give you marketing templates, but they won't teach you compliance, reconciliations, year-end prep. That's dangerous for you and your clients. So here's the better path forward: foundational accounting. Take a semester of actual accounting at your community college. That will give you credibility that you can't fake. You'll understand debits, credits, and why your reports matter. Professional certifications. Organizations like AIPB or NACPB require coursework and exams and documented work experience. Even though no certifications are required in bookkeeping, having one or several will never hurt you. Specialized training. Courses like Bulletproof Bookkeeper or the Diagnostic Review and Cleanup System are built for bookkeepers who already know the basics and want to sharpen advanced skills. Software familiarity. Yes, QuickBooks certifications exist and some clients will recognize them, but remember, that's just one tool, and that's a certification about that one tool, and there are many alternatives to that one tool on the market. Mentorship and practice. Resources like the QBO Gym or Nerd Enterprises Galaxy community let you practice real tasks with support, which builds confidence faster than theory alone. The bottom line is this: don't unleash yourself on paying clients until you've invested in actual training. Real bookkeepers are qualified because they can deliver tangible results. They not only meet, but can exceed expectations with regard to compliance, clarity, and confidence, not because they bought a course or a shiny promise. So, am I qualified to be a bookkeeper? If you can keep books clean, compliant, and client ready, yes. If you can't meet that answer, it isn't no, it's not yet. Invest in real training and you'll stand out from the crowd of unqualified dabblers, and there are tens of thousands of those. If this helped, hit subscribe. Check out my episode on networking for real clients as your next step. Up next, you might not be a bookkeeper if, well, that's Jeff Foxworthy inspired list. Let's check it out. See you there.